Welcome back to my YouTube channel. New car latest update. The Smash 1500 is a famous standard size pickup truck known for its mix of ability and solace. In 2025 it gets a few moves up to keep up with its strength in the portion. The truck offers a decision between two 6-chamber motors, a standard V6 or a new twin super inline 6 supplanting the old Hemi V8. This inline 6 motor can convey up to 540 drive, offering amazing execution as far as planned. The 2025 Slam 1500 gets a facelift with minor outside changes, upgrading its advanced appearance. The inside gets overhauls too, including a bigger touchscreen show with choices for much greater screens. The best in class tungsten model stands apart with lavish highlights like knitted cowhide upholstery, rubbing seats, and a superior 23-speaker cut sound system. Execution-wise, the Smash 1500 offers smooth driving thanks to its 8-speed programmed transmission. The base V6 motor is helped by a 48-volt half-breed framework, creating 305 torque. In the interim, the twin super inline 6 named Storm offers either 420 or 540 strength, giving adequate capacity to different errands for rough terrain fans. The Dissident model offers improved capacities and rough looks. The truck's back suspension with standard curl springs guarantees a great ride quality, further improved with discretionary air suspension for flexible ride level. Inside, the Slam 1500 gloats extensive traveler room and pragmatic capacity choices. Higher trim levels include upscale materials and rich conveniences, obscuring the line between a pickup truck and an extravagance vehicle. The tungsten trim takes extravagance to the following level with its 24-way movable front seats with rub capability and premium sound framework. Evaluating for the 2025 Smash 1500 territories from $42,270 to $970, relying upon the pick trim and discretionary elements in spite of not coordinating the towing limit of some chides. The Smash 1500's most extreme towing limit stays serious for most purchasers. Generally speaking, the 2025 Slam 1500 proceeds to dazzle with its mix of execution, solace, and extravagance, making it a top decision in the standard pickup truck section.